of Tingenlung language to Laungdilat, a brief note by Sri John Tingenlung Pamei, former President Azsu. I welcome Sri John Tingenlung Pamei on the stage.
IS retired Chairman Hill Area Committee, Sri Manicharanamai, former MP, Lok Sabha, Sri Humalebo Pamei, Chairman, ADC Tingenlung, former Chairman, KP Merizin, former member of ADC Tingenlung, Sri Dr. Ingam Pamei, IIS Director, Central Bureau of Communication, RO Infal, and member of Laungdilat. Invitees, leaders of various organizations of Tingenlung, ladies and gentlemen, and my dear student friends. I'm so privileged that I got this opportunity to stand before you all and share a few notes about Tingenlung language to Laungdilat. As I stand here, I'm also privileged and I'm so very happy that on this very day, that it's the 91st of Chug Remmemoration, or Su Thoibe, or Chug. Why I say this is very important to me as a person, to me as an individual, because my grandpa, Tingenlung Pamei, who was the member of the Chug Remmemoration, was my grandpa, as well as the language that we are going to release today, Laungdilat Khuang, was the brainchild of the whole Tingenlung Student Union. That is what I want to share. In 1983, way back to 40 years, that was in 1983, during the 7th General Conference of All Tingenlung Student Union, which was held at Tianjin, Lokta Project. The student organization, during the DIMKI, during the assembly, the All Tingenlung Student Union adopted a resolution that we have to start working on the common language. After 1983, it was in 2004, Dr. Ilung Kebe Jeliang, he compiled a book called Learning Tingenlung Dialect in 2004. And I was elected as the president of All Tingenlung Student Union in 2010 at Namsing, and in 2012 at the General Conference, 21st General Conference, which was held at Mahai Namsi, adopted a resolution that will form a language commission. And during the conference, we have appointed 5 members. Sri Dr. Ilung Kebe Jeliang as a chairman, Sri Aaron Azingbo Pamei as a secretary, Caleb Pamei, member, Ramkui Niumai, member, and ID Jeliang. the 5 members of the Language Commission. And in 2013, in the early part of 2013, our first gathering, the gathering of Azsu and Language Commission was held at Delhi. I request one of my brother, Samson Kamsun, brother, you have to book us a hotel where 7 of us will be together in a hotel. You have to choose the best hotel and the cheapest one so that we can stay 7 days and 7 nights in a hotel we are going to work. So we start in 2013 and we all come together in Delhi, staying in confined in a one room, and we start this work. And in 2013, the Tingenlung Body Assam, Manipur, Nagaland endorsed the resolution taken by the Azsu, and they endorsed and with Body and Azsu formed reappoint the committee. And in 2015, during the conference at Khartoum, this booklet, Tingenlung language, was published by Azsu in 2015 again. And in 2018, Azsu Body with Laungdilat Citizen Forum sit together, have a meeting and endorse and authorize the Laungdilat Citizen Forum to go for Laungdilat. That was how from Tingenlung language to Laungdilat was come, and today we are going to see a dictionary which is published by the Laungdilat Khuang. This is published by the Laungdilat Citizen Forum. This is a brief note I want to present you, and I hope our new student friends, especially the students' friends, it is you who to read and it is you who to start this project, and without you this project will not be a successful one. I think after this program, I think every one of us will have a copy and will start learning. Thank you so much.